Okay, so this is a Colorado video update showing you guys how I put my Rally Armor Universal mud flaps on my Colorado. So these are I originally got these for the Cobalt, but since I never put them on the Cobalt, I figured might as well put them on this. These are the car version, the cheapest basic versions that you can get, but so they don't hang as low as you want, but I think they'll do okay for my purposes because I'm not off-roading on this thing. So if you look in here, you have your T15, these are originals, and they hold this guy on. But I just basically repurposed them to hold a mud flap. And then for up here, so this flap doesn't flap around, I use 3M trim tape, as you can see right there. So this plastic piece is thicker than the trim tape, so this bottom part doesn't stick. But I'm not really worried because this stuff is pretty strong. A lot of people use them for all sorts of things, sticking badges on, etc. Here's the back, same idea. T15s, and then the trim tape. I did do clear vinyl right up here, just so the trim tape doesn't adhere directly to the paint, because that's kind of more of a pain to get off. So I did that, and yeah, that's basically it. So this is how it fits. Side profile shot. I did stick them out pretty far because I didn't want any rocks hitting the side of the paint. But as you can see, this is where the corner is, so it's not stuck all the way out as, like, I guess how Rally Armor intended. That's not a really big deal. That's the side profile for there. And the width wise, it's still not an issue. It just covers the inside of the tire, so good enough for me. Yeah, I don't plan on throwing on some novelty tires or anything. This is just going to be a highway driver because it is the Duramax, so gets me really good gas mileage. And then the way I made the template is basically this is just an outline of the actual flap itself. I lined it up, took my iPhone with the level app, made sure this was 90 degrees so it's up and down, and then I took a Sharpie and I just poked holes. As you can see, I screwed up the first time. So I poked holes on it and I had my template. So then I would just lay this right on top of the mud flap, take my silver Sharpie so it shows up on the mud flap itself, put it on the hole, pull up the paper, bang, I got my dots. Hole size I used was a 1/4 inch drill bit, and I just reamed it out a little bit so I had some like left right play, up and down play, just so I could readjust it, because of course it's not going to be perfect. And there you go, Rally Armor mud flaps, shown by this nice little reflective logo. So there you go, Rally Armor mud flaps. Thank you guys for watching.